Right up here one time, I came up here fishing. Brandon was with me, I think. And I walked out on this little seaweed bed right here, or walked out on this weed bed. We call this seaweed. So what? The weed bed. And while I was standing there were suckers all out in there. It was late spring. And there went a muskie, 40-some inches, cruising. You could see that big orange spotted tail cruising right there, and all I had was a little jerkbait on. Kind of like what I got right now.
A few moments later.
Got my bass. Oh God, a muskie's got my bass. Get in here. Muskie just tried to take my bass on me. It went straight back out. I seen him coming behind it. God, I saved your life, dude. He's laying on the edge of that rock bar. I don't know if he went back where he was anyway. Yeah, right up on the bank there. Because when I hooked that bass, I seen him come up a big V right behind him. Alright, here's my smallmouth. Got him right off this rock bar there. There's what a muskie does to your smallmouth when you're trying to get it in. I seen the muskie behind it and I yanked it in real quick, but I wasn't fast enough. But there it is, guys. That was a big muskie that came up on Brandon's. That's about what, 13 inches? Yeah, 14. 14 inch. Bruiser came up and got him. But that's pretty awesome. We're gonna get back fishing.